Hey guys, how's it going? Zima here. In this video, we're going to focus on the script.tv node sale that is happening right now. 25% of the entire token supply as well as 2% in bonus tokens are here just for the nodes, and at $199 per node, as you can see in this area right there. As well as the different tiers that only go up to $250 a piece, we get something that is not just affordable, but also something long-term that is here to stay. Now they say, be part of the fastest-growing entertainment network built for the future of film and television, which is exactly what they do. Think of this as decentralized YouTube, TV, streaming, with over 500,000 people every single month that tune in for that, and a market cap of $7 million right now for their main token. But for the nodes, we're going to get a different token called SPAY or SPAY. There's a 3-month cliff behind it, but they do have an offer on which you can buy 3 nodes for the price of 2, meaning if you buy 2, you get 1 for free. That brings down the price from $199 down to like $133. And with them having tons of channels available already, they are here to scale, they're here to make this bigger, and to keep on building the infrastructure behind it of one of the largest industries in the world, film and television. Most things in crypto get decentralized in one way or another, and in this case, streaming, television, all of that is decentralized with them. The cool thing is that even you as a viewer, without purchasing anything, do earn their token. It works in a pretty similar way when it comes to the nodes, as they're being launched with node ops over here with the bootstrapping, and that is you log in with the link down below, select the script network from the list of projects, connect your wallet, purchase and deploy, or purchase only and then delegate your node the way you like, and that is pretty much it. There's a higher benefit for viewers as you earn tokens simply by watching. Content creators get a far bigger cut than YouTube, for example, while it does eliminate the middleman and making this one easily scalable. To give you a better understanding of what they do exactly and who they worked with and the experience that the team brings to the table, they have people who've worked at Adidas, Sony, Uber, HBO, Binance, Nike, and all the others in there, including Disney, with over 25 global partnerships being backed by lots of different VCs and many others, and bridging the gap between Web 2 and Web 3 by being available on over 300 million devices worldwide. The nodes behind it are to make it more secure, high speed, decentralized for the video delivery, while allowing them to be scalable, incentivizing us as we earn the tokens, and lowering the latency behind it. And they even mentioned that under certain circumstances, there are also refund guarantees. So if you buy the node now and you end up not liking it, or you would like to get your money back, that is also going to be available. Now, as they do launch on Node Ops, they are the leading infrastructure and marketplace for Web3, that supports over 48 chains, 29,000 plus node folios, deployed 48,000 nodes, and manage up to $60 million plus in assets. So if you want like a very simple way to buy a node and deploy it from any other project as well, go with them. Now recently, they also ranked as number 4 as an ecosystem based on security on CertiK, the auditor behind it, which means next to Bitcoin and ETH, they are number 4 over here. And based on their calculations from earlier, the rough estimate of your return on investment is going to be about a 3.3x over the first year, considering that there is a 90-day vesting schedule behind it, so you don't dump the token immediately. And if you want to learn even more about everything that they do, they have a ton of different things in their documents page. As just for the next year and a half, they're aiming to roll out large content partnerships, branded media partnerships, enterprise offerings, and a lot more, while allowing us as well to not just farm the token daily, but also sell it, stake it, do whatever we like, and be part of this growing ecosystem. Now, if you want to get a node, link is down below. And I think they go live at 2 p.m. UTC, as they go live on December 10th, probably when this video is live as well, maybe a bit later. And while you can delegate the node or run it yourself, the requirements are also pretty simple. Pretty much any computer ever from the past 15 years or so does have those requirements. They're going worldwide, they're growing day by day, and if you want to get a node as well, then a link for that is down below. But of course, first, know that this one is not financial advice and you should read about this one first and in more detail. I'm just here to show you things that I'm interested in that I think are going to go well long term. Personally, I'm going to get at least 2 in order to get 1 node for free. And again, they do have a 100% node buyback program under certain conditions, so you can request a refund under specific terms in case you don't like it in the future. Go get some nodes, link for that down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.